Hey everybody, this is Lisa. I am coming on with a project that I created using this kit that I received from BeebeeCraft. Now, before we get started, in the description box, I will have BeebeeCraft's website. I will have an awesome coupon code, and I will also put the link to the BeebeeCraft YouTube program. And that program is you can I'll put the actual link that you can click on if you want to be a part of BeebeeCraft, like a collaboration with them. You may be eligible, but I believe you have to have 100 subscribers or more. But I will put that direct link for you in the description box. And this is the kit that I used. I used this word Scrabble letter tiles, those Scrabble tiles. So you get both of these bags in the kit. You get 2 packs of bows. You get a pack of cabochons. These are Christmas. You get this pack of bells. And also you get this roll of this red gingham ribbon. And you get this satin cord. And look at that roll. All of this comes in one kit, okay? Now, I did not get to do my Christmas crafting, but I did use these on a Valentine project. So, I will put my unboxing video so you can see, because I think I had got another kit as well. So, I made these two projects here. Now, these hearts was in my stash, and I just created these bows with some ribbon I had, and I just basically the ribbon I already had. You can use the gingham, but I was just going for this pink and red, and I use these letter tiles here, and it spells out love. And I still have a hole that I'm going to put a string in, but I'm not sure how I'm going to use this yet. But if I use it for like a door hanger, then I'll make it big enough that it'll fit around the door. Here is a little heart charm that I had in my stash. Just have it hanging there. So these are really cute. So I did that one. And then I did this one, and I did the XOXO. And then I just made this bow here, and I've got my little heart, little pink heart hanging there. So these turned out really cute. I just love these little tiles. There is so much that you can do with these little tiles. So these are, girly Valentine. So I am going to come back on because I'm going to make my grandson something with his name on it that he can put in his room. So that is my project share for BeebeeCrafts. Don't forget to check the description box. Use my coupon code. And also, BeebeeCraft has a thing to where if you spend a certain amount, you get free shipping. So that's automatic. So you can also use my coupon code. And hey, that's a win-win. So that is some double savings there. And there you go. Like I said, check the description box. I'll put the unboxing so you can see like the kits, my unboxing. And I thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in the next video.